Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, because that'll make seeing supports, resistance levels much easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, and several days ago, when I talked about the falling wedge pattern right there, which has now gotten the breakout, which occurred right there, and a continuation of it has just continued. Hence the word continuation of a pattern breakout. So definitely some updates need to be made since the last time I did an update on it, but I'm trying to figure out which way looks better, I think it's a little easier to see this way, so I'll leave it at this perspective. But first, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, $15 was that area of resistance, but now with the prices above it, that would be what you want to see the price stay above. With all that being said, though, it's not like if the price falls below 15, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, ideally speaking, if the price could stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at it all from a bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50 period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to continue to judge the health of the current breakout is just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So just keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing new to report from previous videos I've done. Public enemy number one now going into Monday and next week, going to be right up there at $15.50. So watch that very closely. But all in all, you got to enjoy the breakout. The breakout continues. And as long as that's the case, then yeah, just keep on building those higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.